Hello. How are you doing? Okay, today I will... The plans are done. Now I want to work with the machines. I'm doing well. How are you? I'm also doing well. Thanks for asking. Okay, machine. Congrats for the loading screen. Thank you very much. I like it. Now I just need a on break. Actually, I was not sure how I'll do a um animation with Photoshop or something, so I just did it in Godot. Actually, that's what we did with the plans. We have to do also with the machines. Right now we use the progress bar and we also use a tween. Rotate object set animation. It's very nice. Thank you very much. Okay, let's see. This code. I don't want to work with a tween anymore, and especially not with the changed machine process. When this one is changed machine process. Okay, maybe I have to do it a bit differently, but I also want to work with a state machine. I really like state machines. So what we do is... Okay, let's see what we have here. We have output, which is fine. Label, which is fine. Texture progress bar, we'll delete. Process icon, this is fine. Collision shape, animation, player, sprite, 2D. All of that is necessary, so this is fine. What we don't have anymore is the texture progress bar. But what we have in exchange is an export, machine state, or current state, or just let's say state is a machine state. Export enum. I always forgot how to write them. So what we have is we have idle. But I have to check machines, plants. Machine state, plants, where's plants? Plants we have here. Growing, major, fully grown. Plant state, enum, plant state, growing, major, fully grown. So what we have here is idle, processing, full. So we have all of these three states, idle, processing, full. Then we also need a timer here, which will check the current process of this machine. Enum plant state. And not declared. We have everything idle, processing, full. Is there another state? Nope, I think not. So we have machine and the start of this one. Input, output. Where is it? Where do we have it? Disable mode? We don't have something what is called state. Processing tween. I'll delete everything what is related to process. Process item. Input inventory.connect.change machine process. This we need to do also differently. So we pass for now. Save it, and then we should have state. Normal is idle. Then we want to do a process. We have three states of this machine. It's idle, where nothing is inside the inventories. Then we have full, when the output inventory has something. And then we have processing, when the input inventory and the output inventory is matching. So what we're gonna do is process, processing, void. And here we have if. If input inventory dot slot data is something, then we say state equals elif output inventory and if both. I want to learn 4 language coding. 4 coding languages. Why exactly 4? Okay, we have idle. Yeah, I'll do it the same like we did before. Here we have idle processing full. Why it's working here but not there? Ah, this why. That's why. So we just say machine state dot processing webcam dev. Wait, but we have if web game dev app dev. And actually with, for example, Godot, you can create in games and also apps. But for web, you need JavaScript. To work not just in one area. Actually, but then you should. You know, sometimes some companies have the problem they want a full stack developer. That means they'll use 5 job positions they need in their company and give it to one person, but give him just one salary. So when you find a job which is a full stack developer who knows multiple languages, don't let them underpay you. That's what I mean. No, not a full stack. I mean, if I don't want to work no more in game dev, I can change to another area. Yeah, that's good also. Expected intended block after if block. Oh yeah, this one. If output has something and the name is exactly the same of this one. Oh wait. Can fully merge with, and then we say this one. Then we just take this part, but here we need to say input. Okay, that's even not true. So now that I'm very young and I don't have to do a shit for nothing, I can invest that time in learning new abilities. Yes, that's a very good way to do it. Actually, when I was this old, I do like nothing, just chilling around. I need another way for doing this one here, because items can be processed to different things. So for example, apples can be seeds, but apples can also be fertilizer. But you passed a good time? I actually think always have a good time. I have to go. Alright, Danny. Good luck, have fun. See you later. So how I'll do it? When I have input inventory data that I want to process in any way. Okay, you also. So when we are full, for example, output inventory dot slot data, then we set current state to equals machine state dot processing. Oh no. When output inventory, then we say full. Okay, here we want to say current state equals machine state dot processing. But actually it does matter what is inside the input inventory. BJT thing. When you are going to release a demo? I hope in June. I hope I can do everything until June. That would be great. Right now I'm thinking how I'll do it. I can check for can fully merge. Oh good, what about the main game? Actually this is the main game. Set machine icon, process item. Ah. Let's see. Cheese slot resource, fertilizer slot resource, seed extractor. There we get it by item name. Releasing it. Maybe a quarter year later. It's up to how much I still need to change. like around September, October, that I need to see. Cider reprocessing. Then we have juice. Oh, nice. Yeah, hopefully. We'll see. By the way, is the game optimized? What do you mean with optimized? The shaders looks like they'll cause performance issues. Oh no, they will not. I'm very sure they won't. There are actually just a few shaders. This game is not heavy. I can play it on my old laptop. And I had problems with Rain that has very much performance issues, but I already fixed them. I think I need to do the whole thing new, which I'll do here. I'm thinking right now how is the best way to do the processing part. That we check for the right state. Actually, we can have processing and idle. We don't need full. So what we gonna do now? Maybe we do processing but also waiting state. And that somehow we get the item before the process. So before we do this check. Oh wait, we have to do it after this one. So if output inventory has something, so we set it to waiting or processing. Actually, I only wanted that we set it to waiting if input, oh, if output inventory dot um get process item, which will return slot data. So we just say if output inventory dot slot datas 0 dot can fully merge with get processed item. I have to check can fully merge. This slot can fully merge. Yes, it's just an if and else check. Then we say not, and then we say wait. Otherwise, we set the machine state to idle. So here we do the waiting. So we have processing, waiting, and idle. These are the three states. And from these three states, wait, not all code paths returns a value. Okay, return current data. Our current slot. Let's say slot data as slot data. And we'll return slot data. That's it. And this will right now can get process item. This is this one. And what we send through. Actually, we need to be to have an input inventory item here. Otherwise, it won't work. If we don't have input item, then we'll change to idle. Okay, this is the right way. And here we send through this item. And then we'll check if we can send it through. So here we send current input item as slot data. And we want to also return it here. What we're gonna do is something similar to this one. Process item. Actually, this here. This one. So if object slot data dot item name is seed extractor, then we will do this one. Slot data equals load this one. Item slot resource plus global data dot get current fruit name. Replace spaces with this one to lower plus. Okay. Cheese dairy, this one. Here we have to say slot data equals this one. And this we will do everywhere. and side array. Then we will do something very similar to this one. Except that we say seeds, we say juice. Just like this one. Okay. Then we should return the right item and get process item. And if that is not stackable with the current output, then we will be in waiting, otherwise we'll go to idle. I think this is all the machine states what we have. Now we need to connect the signals. Whenever an input and an output inventory changed, we need to connect it. Connect. Oh no. Input. Output. Inventory. Dot connect. Changed. With processing. Whenever one of those inventories is changing, we call this function and change the state. So now we say we need a processing function where we just do something. We need to always check which state we are. Idle, processing, or waiting. Okay, how we will check the state right now all the time. I think we have to do that with this timer, what we just created. So when we add processing, you can achieve something using signals instead of shape. Does this function need to be run each frame? Nothing to do in the background anywhere. I don't know how it's just check something. I don't know how it's implemented on Godot exactly, but it does have to be like that. Signal can, and then Godot does by default immediately call the connected callbacks, which Godot signals are based on a the pattern. How you implement it is another matter. And since I don't know how GDScript hooks into the C++ engine, once per frame, which someone else has informed me is probably wrong. But if I would write it in C++, I would probably hack it together by having a list with called signals and observers and dishing out calls once per frame. It's kinda hacky, so I'm glad Godot seems to call other functions directly, but it's still how I was mediocre C++. That's for sure. When signals emitted objects, avoid them, but not for performance. Generally, you can use update loops. Not using them leads to using stuff like signals, observers, tweens, love timers, etc. And what it sounds like, I avoid using process on unnecessary calls, like one-off checks. Think this could have been an email, but analog to using signals, process is absolutely needs to happen every frame. Coding being more readable is subjective. It takes a shift in thinking for anyone who is used to procedural programming. Stay away from process. Somehow I didn't avoid process user, but still never used it in 3D action games except for movement and continuous action pressing. Or you can have a variable that emits a signal when changed and use the signal or the variable itself every frame. So now we want to have something what will work with this states. I just wonder how it will doing when we change the state. I mean, when we, for example, take something out from the input inventory in the same time like we have a timer running, will it still work and process the item or will it stop working? That's my question at the moment. Function, method, process, processing, void. And what we're gonna do now is that this will just run when we are at the state machine state processing or waiting. If current state is not machine state dot idle, only then we will do this processing function here. This processing function is connected with the timer. So we make this timer be accessible from as a unique node. So we say %timer.start 1 second. We also need to connect this signal from the timer, which is stop timeout, with this one. So whenever it's timeouting, it's calling this function again. And when it's not idle, it will start a timer and then we'll check again if everything is fine, and so on. So whenever we put an item inside and we change to processing, the first step, what we gonna do is, but first of all, how we will check processing. Actually, we need to call processing right here. Hey, yo, bit. Hey, yo, Mr. German, I'm back. Hello, Dani, welcome back. Current state is not machine state idle. Timer start 1 second. We also need to check, we need to set a current process time. Export? Nope, I don't. Variable current process time. As an int. Maybe a float. And this one we will set when we firstly add something to the input inventory. So function increase item. So now, whenever we decrease an item, we want to call a signal, and whenever we decrease the item, the inventory input item, we want to call a signal which will reset the current time. So decrease item will be connected with this one. So if we put something in input inventory, start the process, and we put it out again, then everything will stop. So this one actually needs to be called anytime. And if it's idle, then we'll stop the timer. When it's idle or waiting. Gross. Dani. Um, Right now I'm stuck with the whole process here. Change state. This one will be called whenever we put an item inside or put an item outside. I wasn't talking about my childhood. I just told you when I was in your age, I just more or less waste my time. My free time at least. But I think it was fine. And it was fun. Um, hmm. Which is your biggest mistake ever if it's not personal? To be honest, I'm not sure. I think at the moment I would say I didn't have something what I would call my biggest mistake. No, I think not. So processing will run every second, one, 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 and we start always a timer, but only if current process time is not null. And if it's not null, we'll say current process time minus equals 1. And if it's null, then we process item. Now when it's process item, we should go to one of these items. And at the very end, there's something changing. Because I think I will stop playing like long video games. Like Call of Duty or Sea of Thieves or things like that. I mean, when you have fun with that, you shouldn't force to stop yourself from something like this. As it also could be nice to have something where you can just relax. Change item dot init. Actually, we call this automatically. So whenever we change this state from to here, whenever we have something in input inventory and we call change state, then we also need to say let's say 10, 5 for now. They are taking so much time off me. Instead, I will play casual games. Balatro is very nice. Or Minecraft. What is Balatro? You are playing games I've never heard of. €10. Just like long games with friends, and for the moment I don't have like a partner to play, so I rather play casual games. Yes, why not? But it's nothing bad in playing games. I think we fixed this. Let's try it. I think the machine should work now with less data, with less code. So let's buy a seed extractor, for example. Rose, which is your dream car? I'm so less into cars that I'm happy with a car which can drive me. Nope, I'm not a car guy. Eh. I think the first has nothing to do with the second. Oh, I was placing my avatar wrong. Okay, let's try again. Placing it. Click it. Set machine progress. Here we can actually say current process time. Value changed. Set machine process. Nope. Gross. Dani. Start again. Search this car. Porsche Panamera. Porsche is has to, you have to write with SCH. Looks okay, I guess. Looks good. This is my dream car and the Nissan 370Z. Mm-hmm. I think this cars would be too small for me. Okay, let's see what happens when we do this. Error. Okay, non-existing function can fully merge with a base nil. Alright, this one. Wow, too small. Actually, that are sport cars, and sport cars are very small. Just 2 seats. You are tall? No, no, it's just 2 seats. And where I live, there you cannot drive the full potential of this car, so it's... You are like 1 meter 90? No, no, no. I'm not tall. I'm everything else than tall. Invalid access to property or key grade on a base object of type null. Hmm? But there should be an input. How tall are you? That's a secret. Um, this function creates the output for the seed extractor. This is null. You're small or normal? What is normal? I mean, I would say I'm normal, but what is normal? Everyone would say they are normal. Process item whenever it's 0. That is normal? Timer dot start 1. Current process time minus equals 1. I have to check the current process time. Yup. Wait. I have to check what is normal. How tall is the average human man? 1 meter 70. I'm a child. Cupix, welcome. How are you doing? I would say you are more likely a teenager, not a child. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. You are smaller than me or taller than me? Taller. If input inventory dot slot, why this is not working? I feel like I call it at the point where I shouldn't call it anymore. But the problem is there was still an item inside. Doing good started work some weeks ago. It's fun, but working in IT has drowned my passion to work on game dev at the weekend. Okay, I can totally understand it. I had a similar situation with working in graphic design. Um, Bros, are you a gym or a sports person or not? Not anymore. I would like to go to gym like I did last year, but I'm very lazy this year. Doing So let's see. 3, 2, 1. Wait, why it was calling it again? I feel like we changed the the state too late. Oh, gross. And last question: when face reveal? You can see my shadow because I have to go very near to my microphone at the moment, and I don't have a microphone arm yet. That's why you can see my hairline. If I donate $1,000, you do face reveal. I think that is one of the baddest way you could invest your money. You can do so much more useful things for $1,000. I feel like I'm changing. Wait, there's also a problem that we call this 3 times. Because there's an input inventory change and an output inventory change. But why there are 3? It's the worst, but I have curiosity. Yeah, I think that is the worst way to spend $1,000. So yes or no? Actually, I think not. No. Um, does it make sense when we do it with an out? I think actually we just need to do it when input inventory is changing. But there's one weird thing that we call it 3 times. We call this function 3 times. So why is change 3 times there? Should be just 1 time. Load start. 3, 2, 1. And we still call it 2 times. I mean, at least just 2 times. And error, because we call it 2 times. 0, 0. Gross, which is the limit of donations in Twitch? I think, is there a limit? Twitch doesn't have any limit on how much one can donate to the streamer unless streamers have a set limit. The donation amount can also depend on the payment method that you use. For instance, Twitch charity tools support donations of $1 to $50,000. To how much you can donate on Twitch is how much you want to spend, unless your streamer sets a limit. Otherwise, Twitch itself has no limit on how much you can donate for the streamer to show your support. No limit. Okay, we have to figure out why we call this twice. We call this function change inventory 2 times. Seed extractor. Process transfer. Machine process transfer. Current input inventory image changed, image changed. So I can to start to sell illegal things and get paid through that method? No. I think you still need to show that to somehow and no, I think you have to be affiliate. At least for get donations. Cannot just donate to someone who can receive donations in Twitch. Any third-party site allows you to collect donations from Twitch users. Not sure if they are direct donations on Twitch. I'm not sure. Just with third party. My plan again. I think this won't work. So emit change, we call it here once. And what does emit change do? You should try Balatro. I think it's very cheap, or it's free, and you can play that shit for hours without getting bored. I mean, actually, this game is $10 here. I think it's not cheap if it's this game. Ah, okay. It's casual. See, it's investment. It's an investment when you get something back from it. Otherwise, you spend money. Seed extractor processing. Why we call this function here twice? Machine interface. Okay, this seems to be alright here. I was far, I couldn't hear you. I just said it's an investment when you get something back from it. When you don't get something back, then it just spend money. I mean, I've never played like this vampire survivor games or like, how was it called? Roguelike? I never played roguelikes. Um, okay, machine. Why we call it twice? Yeah, you get a negative number in your bank. Nee. I wouldn't say that. I never had. I mean, how is it possible? Roguelike. Roguelike. I don't even know how roguelike works. So I think there's nothing the way how I think it is. It's a math joke. Current input inventory emit changed and emit changed. Output inventory, input inventory. Output inventory, current inventory. If it's an investment, is plus and a positive number in math plus a negative number is always a loss. But plus and plus is a positive number. Minus and minus is a negative number. It's negative number multiplied is a positive number. But plus plus minus is negative. Okay, wait. I think. Hello, Saif Khan. How are you doing? Um, why I can't do it? Fully merge? Actually, we don't do anything here in fully merge. So why it won't work? And why it will be called twice? Hello, Bankley. Welcome. How are you doing? How I can check? What the heck? Handcam science when? I'm doing great and I hope you are doing well as well. Science 2 months? I'm doing good. Thanks. How are you? I'm also doing good. Nice emote. Um, 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 um. Set sprinkler data. Nope. Cider reprocessing. Input inventory slot. Get process item processing print this one. I want to print something here where we also connect the input slot with changed. So here, print testing this here too. What is the first word you've sent? Nothing happened. Everything is fine. You will play Storage Sim today? Maybe soon. I just want to also fix this one. Testing this here too. Okay, 2, 3, 1. Okay, so the problem is not this one. So it's not the change. The problem is somewhere else. This one got called one time too much. If it's bigger than 1. No, if it's bigger than 0. And if it's 1, then we'll start a timer and we'll calculate -1. No, this doesn't make sense. We always, when it's equals null. When it's not null. Until it's 1, we want to decrease this one by 1. And then we say if current process time is not wait, this doesn't make sense. This is 2 times the same if statement. How I can fix that? If current process time is not null, when it's 1, for example, in this case, right now here it's 1. Then we -1, then it's already 0, and then we still start a timer. So actually this part we have to do before this. Because whenever we call this one, we -1. If it's null, then we do this. If it's... Okay, now it should work. Hopefully. Did we still print it? No, we don't print anything right now. Okay, let's see. Two, 1, 0. Double 4. Double 4? Luck, thanks for everything. You're welcome. Have a great day when you want to go now. See you, Daniel. Hopefully see you again. Current process time is not working. So minus equals 1. Current process time, when it's not null, then we'll start the timer. Otherwise, we'll process the item. I will also stop the timer. When it's null, we'll want to stop the timer. So let's see again. Okay, what we have? Okay, let's see. Load start. Maybe I'll be back later, I don't know. See ya, and if you need support with something, don't call me because I don't support anyone. No, just kidding. If you need something through Discord. Okay, alright. 1, 0. Huh? I want it works also. Okay, it was working. Through. Through. You just make jokes about my German accent. I see that. Why I can't get it? Why I can't got this one? Okay, we need to also set the timer change. Whenever we do this one, we want to update the process from the machine interface when the machine interface is there. So what we want to do is we want to emit a signal whenever we decrease the time by 1. And this we are doing by change process dot emit, and we send through the current time. We say process changed signal. This we emit here, and right here we will create a signal. which we call this one, and we also want an int, for example, current time as an int. Save. If you were traveling faster than the speed of light in one direction, if you were to look behind you, would you see anything? Since light would be slower than your speed. I think you would not see anything in any direction. And I think it's physically not possible to travel faster than the light. But what will you see? I think nothing. Black. Everything is dark. Um, Current machine input inventory dot slot data. This one. We want to connect this one. So what we're gonna say is connect. Wait, we say here connect. Set machine progress. This one. Okay, wait, we need to have an if statement. If this one is connected, we'll do this one and we'll do, oh wait. We'll do the exact same thing at the very end, right here. Where we say is connected, then we disconnect it. All right, let's see. Let's see. Okay, actually, there's still a mistake. And this is by setting the time. Machine interface, set machine input data, and here we have to say take max value. But how we get it? how we get the max value. And actually right now it's just 5. Value equals current machine dot current process time. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's working properly. So, but what if I put it just out? Okay, when I put it just out in the middle of the process, then it won't stop. But actually it should change the time the current state to idle. If there's no slot datas, it should change it to idle. Okay, let's check the current state of the machine. Why the timer is not stopping? I think there's a problem. I mean, we changed to idle, which is exactly that what we want. But we don't change to, we don't stop the timer. Okay, let's see. It's changing to idle, but still not stop. Why it's not stopping? Why stop is not working? Are we here? We should be here. Okay, we are never there. Okay, but how is it possible? The state is idle. Machine state dot waiting. And fully merge with, then it's waiting. Otherwise, it's processing. We changed it to idle. As we can clearly see here. Here we have idle, but we still can't. This still happens. That means that we don't read this current state properly. How to print the current state? As a name. Okay, maybe this way. I mean, we got the number here, which is also fine. Load start. We are state 1, so we are still in processing. Oh. Yeah, of course, we are still in processing. I mean, when we just write down machine state idle, why it should change to anything? Why it should change the current state? When we place this one, we just put it out. Okay, it works properly. But there's one thing that we want to do is hiding this when this is 0. So whenever we have machine interface and we change set machine progress, actually it's just that. What the current max value and what the current value, it doesn't matter actually. We don't broke it. Great. We just fixed the machines. And we exchange the progress bar, which was unnecessary in this scene. We just exchange it with the timer, which makes it a bit easier to control. And we use a machine state. A state machine. State machine. All right. Actually, right now, we fixed the machines, but we also, there was a next step in the task. We need to add more machines. I mean, we don't need to, but I want to add new. This one I'll not do at the moment. This 4 things. This one I'll put very far away. This is something for very far in the future. Actually, it will be a multiplayer function, which will just a co-op function. But all of this food I have to add to the game. And I want to add all these machines. Except this one, I do not know what I wanted to do here. And these 3 things. I want to add them to the game. And then I will try to start to create a demo of this game. But right now, that was it with GameDev for today. If you want to support me and my game I'm doing right now, then you can wishlist it on Steam. That will help me a lot, and this will help the game a lot. And yeah, thanks to every support. Right now, I will just go over to play a bit of Storage Hunter. So I'll be right back in a second. Alright, we will start there where we stopped lately. I do not know where we stopped. Let's see. But we are very close to finish the first city in this game, which is actually very nice. So we sleep in our pipe. Oh, I feel like it's longer time ago that we didn't play it. And we have 4 items which we have to pick up somewhere. We just have to check very quickly where. Taste of art and toys make noise. Okay, but there we go later. Right now we'll just buy the first auction, which we always do here every morning. It's like a daily routine. So let's see what we can got here. Auctions. Level 5. I want it. I tried to got it, but I'm not sure if it's worth it.
Ay,
If I don't do this, then we will bid tomorrow. Until tomorrow, this is very horrible. But the level 5 auctions, they will take sometimes that long. When you stuck like for like 5 or 6 minutes just in this auction. But there are not that very much items inside, so I hope we can get it for like less than 4,000. I just want to know how much is the other horns. Like the trophy.
Okay.
Yep. Come on!
Okay, that's a bit annoying.
Okay.
I feel like it's worth more, but I'm not very sure. The next thing what we want to got is the
Okay.
Yeah!
pool with which we don't need to bring all the legendary items to the experts, that we can do everything on our own. And after that, I think it's time for a bigger count. Alright, 4,700 they say I won, but I don't feel like that. Okay, horns is $35, great. I think that was a scam. I think that was the first time where I lose a lot of money. Pirate hat, $60, microphone, $400. Okay, I hope there's something useful inside. Here's another microphone, $300. And what is inside here? Only crap. A medal, silver bangle. Could actually lose money. That is perfect. It looks so dirty. Well, I didn't miss any item, and I think that was not worth it. We lose money. Great. Yeah, we just extend our space. Then we put all of this stuff here and here and here. And we have this box left. We easily can put here. And this nice ball, which is very useless and very cheap. This one we put at the end, so we can put this one here. And we put this ball there, and then we can drive. We'll bring all this stuff back to our pawn shop, and then we will get our full money and we'll go to the experts. We'll have a few nice items there. And I hope we make a lot of money right now. A bit too fast. Store from truck. Did we forget some items? Nope, we didn't. Okay, let's see how much money. Okay, we are level 50 already. I think that was the last time that we bring items to this one. I think the only reason why we still bring items to this shop is that we still need to earn money to buy another pawn shop. But I think it's time now to change the city. We can have 3 different kind of shops. One is here in this village and 2 are over there. In each district of the city there are 2 different shops which we can own also. But I think we still need to have points there, at least like 20 or 25. Level 20 or level 25, I'm not sure. Okay, let us go firstly to the art shop, which is just right here. Oh, which is just right here. Oh wait, wrong side. Let's see. 2 crowns and 1,300, 1,400, and 1,400. That's great. 2 perfect crowns and 1 money-filled briefcase. Okay, I think we can buy the shop right here, I think. I think this will be the next shop we'll buy. And I just have to check out how much it would be. How can I buy it? I want to buy this shop. How much? We just sold our stuff. Even we would make much more money in our village. But why we can't buy this stuff here? Why we can't buy this shop? Should we buy the other shop first? This one? I'll just check it out. And then we'll do blind auctions. I feel like they changed a bit the movement. Okay, it doesn't feel like we can buy this one. Okay, when we can buy them? Well, we'll see. I'm very sure you can buy them also. And then there will be a sign in front. But maybe not yet. So we'll just sell our whole stuff here, I think. We will got the money with blind auctions. We'll sell all the stuff right here, just in the shops. Even we don't make more money with that. But we make levels with that. And we need these levels to maybe buy one of the shops. And let's see what we can got here. I hope we got fashion. Oh, 3. That's very great. Three boxes. 3 large boxes. Let's see what we can got here. Okay, fashion and beauty, we have to got that. You only can make money on this one. Okay, $1,000, that is free. Okay, when it's fashion and beauty, we'll take it. And military is also nice. I think there was just one time where we lose money on military. Okay, we got this also, and maybe number 3 is also something for us. Let's see if we can got this also. Or if it's household, then we'll not even try it. But maybe it's worth it. Let's see. It's worth it. Fashion and beauty. I hope we got a lot of crowns and jewelry. Okay, we won all 3 auctions, so we'll firstly take this one. It looks very good. Guys, can we open it? Nope. A princess mask? Okay, the mask looks very crappy, to be honest. Silver bangle. Okay, we also just spent $1,200 on this one. This is a crown, and there's our $1,400. 500. Okay, we make money here. A robbery mask. Pirate scarf. Okay, we make actually a lot of money here. Okay, and we still have this one. A jacket. And a pirate hat. And nothing else. But we make already $800 on this one. And we still have the crown to check. And the crown will be around about $1,400. So that was great to got this one. That was weird. Let's see what we have here. Okay, 4 boxes. Okay, this seems also very good. This one we spent $1,300. Okay, let's see. We start with this one. Rangefinder part, 69. Military meal, 413. We spent 1,300. Hopefully we can got it. A Halloween toy wand. Military. Not sure what this has something to do with military. Let's see, a knife, a bayonet, military flashlight. Okay, maybe on this military one we lose money. Could be. Okay, never mind. I think it's impossible that with this current amount of money that we'll lose something. 900, we are just $400 missing. Okay, unique dagger. 550, and here we go. Everything now is profit. Okay, even it's small profit, it's still profit. $500 until now. Quality bad, quality perfect. Military flashlight, another one. Okay, we make $900 on this one, which is very fine. Oh, we still have one item. What is that? Cannonball. For $24. So we make... here. $800, maybe 900. And on the other one, we also make like a lot of money. Here we make 800 plus 1,400, around about $2,200. Let's see, this one was the first one we had today. Wow. Okay, let's see. Could be both. We lose a lot of money or we make a bit of money. $500, 2 items. Looks good, I guess. Christmas hat, a little bit. Necklace, $80, and eye patch. Okay, robbery mask, silver bangle. Okay, we already make money. That's great. That's fine. That's enough. And this one, bauble set. Okay, we make $600, which is totally fine. We'll just bring it to the pawn shop here. We'll not sell them in our shop anymore. The only thing what we'll do now is to stay in this city as we want to finish the quest we have at the right side. Okay, to $1,800. Let's go back. It's already 6:30 p.m. We'll sell all this stuff in the pawn shop in this area of the city, I think. I think this will be the first area which we'll do of this city. East Black Elk. Okay, and then we will... Oh, we need to go to the one toy expert. Where we'll go first? I think we'll go to this expert here first. Then we'll bring this one item we just brought there. I don't remember what we brought there, but we brought something there. And it's also worth around about $1,000 maybe. Okay, when you drive backwards, we don't have a brake. Oh, I forgot this 1,500 for this bull. Sometimes the physics are very weird. That's actually funny. Wow, nice details. The shops even has interior on the upper part. Physics something. Okay, actually I feel like the extra make the physics on this type of shops very weird. That it took almost the whole day to just pack all these items to this store, to your truck. Yeah, 9 p.m. everything is closing. Not working. Okay, this is working, so let's be fast. We have to sell all this stuff in this shop. Until 9. Oh wait, actually it's more important to bring this one item to here. The items we can still sell tomorrow. Okay, we have 18 minutes. Can we do it? Okay, why our car's driving that badly? Okay, we did it. Okay, all the other items we can verify on our own. Okay, let's go to this shop. We can't sell stuff there anymore, but we should be able to sleep somewhere here. I think it's here. I think this is the most nearest part where we can sleep. And I hope we will not lose our items which we store on our truck. That would be very bad. I really don't like the physics here. Yeah, I hope the items will still be there after we sleep. Yes, they are still there. So we go to this shop to sell everything. Let's go. We already drive past. We have to wait a half hour. Reach renown, level 50 in East Black Elk. We are level 21. So let's see where we are when we... How I can buy this house? This one is our parking area when we want to bring our stuff into the storage. But somehow we should be able to buy it. Taste of Art. I finished... Can just walk there. Just one item. Just there where it says gallery. Okay, this is $1,400. Let's go. We make 3 levels. And I do not know how much money, but we make money. A rare necklace. I do not know how I can't see it. Okay, is that the money? Wait, is that what we do right now? Okay, we are at level 24. When we can own this shop? Which level do we need? Actually, I would like to go to this shop we have right here to just check out how much money we have. That maybe we can buy the last tool. That we never ever have to bring something to an expert, which would be very nice. So let's go. I think we should have $800 there. We should have even more. But we need at least like 800, maybe 2,000 to $3,000. That would be great. And I think after that we can buy a bigger car. I think the next car is around $10,000 or $25,000. I think this auction house we'll just use for get money now. We'll not put any stuff here anymore. Because we are level 50 already. $400. I think I have to do it. There's no green. Okay, I lose $200 on this one. We have $25,000, and you know what that means? That means we can go to tools and buy the verification tool level 4. So we can verify every item we got. Every legendary. Wait, you just come here and don't buy anything? How's it with the book? Okay, let's see. $260. Okay, you don't want to pay 364, now you have to pay 378. Actually, we have to stay here for a while to make a bit of money. So what do you want to buy? Halloween? This creepy doll? Okay. Green is on the most right? Okay, 261. I hit 2-time green. And why we lose money? You can have it. I think something around $2,000 we should make before we go. 1,100 and you offer 950. I think we have to haggle. Okay. Okay. And the other green is here and here. I think we'll try to take this one. Okay. Now you come and have to pay $200 more. Good luck with your clock. Another one want to lose money? How about this one? No, he wants to buy something very expensive. The silver bangle. Let's see. Haggle. Okay. Okay, that was very bad, but you can have it. Lose $80. So we have almost $3,000 again. Okay, she wants to buy this for $90. Nope. Okay, for 110. Okay, how much items we still have here? I think that are the last items here. Huh? You want to buy a pen for $70? Okay, you can have it for 63. The next one, please. Microphone? Oh, a bat. Okay, $200. Let's see. Okay, $160 fine. Oh, 190. Wait. How much do I lose on this one? So I think now they are just worth very pricey items, except this ball. So no matter what they wanna buy here. Okay, I think that was a long time ago when there was a last customer who just bought it with the price that I have. So what do you want? A microphone? A dangle? Alright, good choice. Let's see what price you got. Oh, I think it will be very expensive. Never mind, you can have it for $100. You know, it's almost free for you. Okay, I was very unlucky on this one. You want this one? 350. What you will give me? It's 250. Okay, that's a bit too low. Okay, I have to accept it. Okay, right now the luck is not on my side. But we already made $4,200. Actually, it's also fun to just stay here and don't do an auction. Just sell all the stuff. 340, thank you. The next one, please. I feel like I sell more items when I just stay here. So what do you want? A microphone? Or a microphone. Let's see. You offer 440. We want 550. Let's see what we can do on this one. Okay. Okay, you can have it even for 309. Is that not a great offer? I hopefully see you again and you will buy something else. Okay, I feel like when I do the deals here, I lose more money than I just let the NPC do everything. Please buy it for the full price. You are very welcome. Have fun with your new hat. Okay, we made $5,300. Do you want a new pair of shoes? Yeah, they looks very nice. Just take them. Just $206. Nice choice. Have a great day. The next one, please. Okay, you looks like someone who wants to... Okay. I hope you bring enough money because you will not got this one for $280. Okay, maybe you got it even cheaper. Okay, at least $380. Have fun. Hopefully see you again. Right now we just have like 1, 2, 3, 4 items left and then we'll leave this village. Okay, you want to buy a light. We offer 590. You will give us 430. I think that's not enough. I think you have to pay a bit of more. At least Okay, 430 sounds like a very nice price. Have fun. The next one, please. There's still 2 items left. Microphone. Nope. Have fun with your new bracelet, necklace, whatever it is. Have fun. And I need a streamer. Okay. You want to buy a gymnastic ball for $30. How much do you offer? 24? No, I think it's worth much more. Okay, even 70. Okay. Take it and go. Have a nice day. And the last one. I think we have just 1 item left here. And this is this microphone. Or did I don't see something? Okay. The next one, please. Can I I hope I can sell this shop here afterwards. We are waiting for our last customer. I think there are not that much people are interested in a very good microphone for a very, very cheap price. Okay, I feel like there's no one is interested. Casa de Empeño. Can someone please buy this microphone? That would be very great. Okay, it seems like no one wants to buy this last item. Cheap microphones here. Very cheap. I mean, you can just go and buy it. You don't have to wait here. One of you? You sit here every day, but you never bought something from my shop. It seems like here's no one about to be a future streamer. Where this car is bringing us? That's how you save fuel, by the way. And just bring me back to my shop, please. To the right here. Just to the right here. Alright. And the next right, please. Or just go into this street here. The next right. Wait, don't tell me you're just driving in a circle here. Okay, I can't keep drive with you. Thanks for bringing me back. Warehouse capacity 0 of 40. Can someone come please and buy this last item? That would be very great. Very cheap. I've never checked out the neighborhood here. Okay, actually you can't go into the houses anywhere. Oh, here. Can I play a round of chess? If I'll win, you will buy the microphone. Not sure how drunk you are, but here's no one you can talk with. I'm not a chess expert, but you can't play it with just white. Okay, did someone want to buy the microphone? Maybe we should decrease the price. Wait, what does this mean? Did we just wait for nothing? Did we have to wait 4 more hours until they can buy it? I think I was wasting the time. So we'll just go back to our pipe to sleep, and then I think that was it for today. Okay, maybe I should learn to drive. Okay, I think this is the last night at our pipe. And then we will not see this city again. So enjoy the last night on this very comfortable blanket. So sleep. Let's see how much profit we did today. I think we don't spend anything and we earned $17,000. Oh, and we spent... Oh, never mind. We lose a lot of money. Okay, save the game. This one, yes. Okay, that was it for today. I hopefully see you tomorrow again. I'll be here right at the same time. If you want to support me, you can easily do that by follow or subscribe me on my social media channels like Twitch or YouTube. Or if you have Steam, you can support me by wishlisting my Steam game, which I currently programming. That would be very helpful for me and also for the visibility of my game. Thanks to everyone. Thank you very much to joining and being here. Have a great day, night, or whatever time it is where you are right now, and take care, everyone.